I purchased Ultimate Small Shop because I'm newly retired and I'm attempting to set up a shop in a home we recently moved into. Now, money's always an issue, but more important to me is the subject of time. These are the two things that I think are so important in this guide that Ralph has put together. He tells you what you need to do, what you need to buy, and where to buy it. When I go into a hardware store, I'm intimidated just by the selection of drills there are. I don't know what tools to buy or how much I should pay for them. Ralph takes care of all that stuff for you. Ralph's book contains sound advice on all matters of tool selection and space planning. I would highly recommend it to anyone setting up their own shop.